guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing good. So today we are going to look at a problem which is group anagrams from LeetCode. It's a question that's commonly asked in Amazon interviews. So let's get started. Given an array of strings, group the anagrams together. You can return the answer in any order. An anagram is a word or phrase formed by rearranging the letters of a different word or phrase, typically using all the original letters exactly once. Okay, so you're given an array of strings and you're going to group all the anagrams together and you're going to return that as an output, and it can be in any order. And let's see the examples to understand it better. You're given an array of strings as input, and bat doesn't have an anagram here, and nat and tan actually uses the same letters exactly once, and so they're anagrams. And similarly with yet and yeet, they're all anagrams, so they're all grouped together, and yeah, that's what you're returning. And you should also take care of empty arrays, as you can see in example 2, and example 3 it's just yay, so you're returning yay. Okay, so now let's see how we are going to approach this problem. We know that anagrams are nothing but strings that has the same letters but just arranged differently, right? For example, if you see N, A, T and T, A, N from example 1, you know that when you saw the characters of these string, you get the same string. For example, you get A and T when you sort both of these strings. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to use this sorted string as a key, okay? And then for every string that I come across, I'm going to sort it and I'm going to check if it matches this sorted key value. If it matches, then I'm going to keep grouping them together. Okay, for example, nat and tan will be grouped together because it matches the sorted key. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. And for this, I need a data structure in order to store the key and the values, right? And for that I'm going to use the hash map. So in my hash map, I'll be storing the key, and the values would be a list of all anagrams grouped together. So now let's get into the coding part. I'm going to have a hash map which contains a sorted string as a key and a list of string which are anagrams. I'm going to name it as a map. Okay, and as you can see, the return value is a list containing a list of strings. So the list of strings is nothing but the values of map, okay? And I need an outer array list. So I'm creating an outer array list, and the values of map is what I'm passing to it. Now let's get into the logic, and I'm going to have a for loop to iterate over all the strings in the array. And now what we need to do is we need to pick every string in the array, okay? And I'm going to sort this string, and after sorting I'm going to check if the sorted string is present in the map. If it is not present, then I'm going to add the sorted string as a key and an empty array list as a value. If it is present, and then I'm just going to add the string to the sorted string, okay, as a value. That's what I'm going to do. But first, in order to sort the current string, I need to change it to a character array. And I can sort it now. So these two steps are just to sort the character array, and I'm going to convert it back to a string. Okay, so now I have the sorted string, and I'm going to check if my map doesn't contain the sorted string. If it doesn't contain, then I'm going to insert this sorted string as a key, and I'm going to create an empty array list for that. So now what we need to do is we need to add this current string to the map. For that, I need to get the reference to this array list, and then I'm going to add the current string to the map. So that's it. Now let's run this program. Yes. So hope this was clear. I'm going to go over the code again. So we have a hash map which contains a sorted string as a key and a list of strings which are anagrams to each other, okay? And what we are doing is we are picking every string and we are first converting it to a character array in order to sort it. and then we have the sorted string. We are checking if the sorted string is present in the map. If it is not present, then we are going to add the sorted string and we are creating an empty array list for that. And in this step, what we are doing is we are adding the current string to the list. So that's what we are doing here. And finally, we are returning an array list containing a list of strings, and the list of strings is nothing but the values of the map. Thank you so much for watching. Hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let me know in comment section what other coding videos or coding patterns you want me to upload, and I'll do it for you. And let's meet soon with another coding video. Thank you. Bye.